Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Dodge Journey Crossroad. For the month of September, all Apple Chevy customers will receive over $1,900 in savings on this front-wheel drive vehicle. It only has 36,041 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This Dodge comes with a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, your tinted windows throughout the entire vehicle, and 19 by 7-inch hyper black aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a cross between leather and cloth seating. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have a touch screen radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.